next 8 months or so of the Congress for this year, the rest of the year, will be preoccupied with 2 major pieces of legislation. The first is the Bangsamoro Basic Law, which will implement the peace agreement signed by the government and the MILF last March 27. And the second, of course, will be the budget for 2015. Last night, I urged Governor Davide and Vice Governor Mapale and the members who were present to request the President to include in the 2015 national budget, which we will discuss in the second half of the year, of this year, 2014, to include 500 million pesos as an initial funding for the proposed Hall of Justice. If the estimated cost that they have in mind is about 1 billion, it can be a 2-year project, so that in 2015, 500 million will be appropriated, 2016, 500 million, or a budget of 1 billion for the Cebu Hall of Justice.